नाउ देखिए दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इसके लिए वैसे परफेक्ट अगर आपका जैसे ऊपर लिखा है देखो सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशन, इसका मतलब है फाइंड, ये समझना पड़ेगा आपको, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x और y, द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वन इज, पहली चीज तो आप ये समझिए। एंड दिस क्वेश्चन कैन बी सॉल्व बाय ओनली 5 मेथड्स। The 6 which is known as the diagrammatic representation cannot be solved this question. Why? Because the coefficient of x and y are only variables small and small b with constant minus a plus b and minus a minus b. तो now see, अब आप मुझे बताइए कि पहला कौन सा मेथड आप यूज करना चाहिए? I always use to ask to the children. Elimination. Okay. So now this. By elimination method. What is the meaning of the elimination method? You have to make the coefficient of x and y, x either or y equal. यहाँ देखिए what is here? X का coefficient is what? A. यहाँ क्या है? B. Getting my points? So now what you have to do? You will multiply it by B and multiply it by A. So now when you will multiply it by b, so now it will be abx, and when you will multiply by a, so now you will get this abx. The first thing is. Second, now you have to see also the signs. If you are watching the sign, so it should be multiplied by a and it should be multiplied by b. If you are looking the sign, otherwise you said me elimination method. So now do you write in solution कर रहा हूँ. Keep in mind that ax plus by equal to this is a minus b. Constant I have kept on the right hand side here. Constant is on right hand side I am keeping. In elimination method it is quite required. bx minus ay equal to a plus b. ये देखिए now elimination means you have to make the coefficient of x and y equal in both. So you write multiply by b and multiply by a in equation number 3 and equation number 4 on both sides. Clearly see. So now it's multiplied by b and it's multiplied by a. Because b is a bx plus b is a b square y equal to b is a ab minus b is a b square. Now look. a b is a abx. a is a square y equal to a is a square or plus a is a. Now solve the equations. So now it's abs, it's both are plus. So you have to change the sign on subtraction. A minus, it's plus, a minus, a minus. All the signs will be alternatively changed. Cancel. So now a square y और plus b square y. Look sir, ये हट जाएगा. You have to remove. Now ये minus का square, plus और minus cancel. ये equal to minus a square और minus b square. Y you have to keep आपका common. Y common in left hand side. So now it's a square plus b square and then ये minus you have to common. Minus 1 common in right hand side. So now a square plus b square. So you have to find out this y. Y is equal to minus a square plus b square over. It will go down on the next side. खल्लास y is equal to minus 1. ये देखिए. Substitute the value of y is equal to minus 1. number? A. 3 में रखेंगे. ax plus by equal to a minus b. Now ax plus b into y की वैल्यू देखो -1 equal to a minus b. ax minus b equal to a minus b. ax is equal to a minus b and it will go on OT. So its sign will be changed. OT का मतलब ऑपरेशन थिएटर नहीं है, वैसे तो ऑपरेशन थिएटर ही है इसके लिए, बिकॉज यू आर चेंजिंग द साइन. यहाँ पे ऑन ट्रांसपोजिंग, पक्षांतर करने में, when one hand is going on the next hand, so its sign will be quite changed. Now cancel. ax is equal to a, x is equal to a upon a. So therefore x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Getting my points?